Hi, welcome to everybody. Today I am going to deliver my last lecture on tunneling and which deals with various multiple choice questions on tunneling or tunnel engineering. And this lecture might be useful for you for various type of competitive examinations such as GATE, ICS, UPSC, your degree level civil engineering examination, as well as especially useful for the students who are preparing for the MPSC mains of civil engineering for various departments. So, once again, I am congratulating the people who appeared for the preliminary examination of the MPSC of civil engineering and also giving them good wishes for preparation of MPSC mains civil engineering, and also ask them to subscribe my channel. If not subscribed, this channel might be useful for them for various type of competitive examinations. First of all, I am going to read that MCQ and read only the appropriate answer, but I advised all students to read the other options also to get your idea clear. Okay. Then first MCQ is a tunnel is an dash dash structure, comma artificial gallery, comma passage of roadway beneath to the ground. A tunnel is an engineering structure. The second MCQ is construction of tunnel requires long time as compared to open cut. The shape of tunnel must be sharper at crown and may decrease towards base to resist the pressure. Dash dash section is suitable for resisting external as well as internal forces. You all people might know that circular section is very effective, and you learn that in strength of material. I think so. Dash dash section is commonly used for railways and highways, that is horseshoe section. Then dash dash section is used for sewer, that is egg-shaped section. Dash dash section is suitable for pedestrian tunnel, that is rectangular section. In elliptical section, the major axis is always vertical. Dash dash section is used for subways or navigation channels, that is segmental section is used for subways or navigation channels. The thickness of lining for the sides of tunnel is 5 to 7.5 centimeters. Side of tunnels means if this is the tunnel, then these two are the sides of tunnel. This is the bottom of tunnel and above part is the roof of tunnel. The thickness of lining for the sides of tunnel is again 5 to 7.5 centimeter. The thickness of lining for the roof of tunneling is more, that is 22 to 60 centimeter. In single railway track tunnel, a clear space of at least 75 centimeter on each side should be allowed between the tunnel wall and the side of the largest locomotive. Means if the sides of lining and the exterior part of the train or locomotive, that distance is 75 centimeter at least. The clear space of 100 centimeter should be allowed between the roof and top of locomotive. So distance for the roof is more than that of sides. The shaft is, we already discussed, the shaft is a vertical structure. Sometimes it is inclined, but always it is vertical structure. The shaft is used to provide the additional face for working, pump off the water and provide the ventilation. So all the options are true options. The size of shaft is governed by amount of muck to be hoisted, size of muck car and number of workers. All the above are the correct answer for that multiple choice question. The temporary shaft is filled after construction. Inclined shafts are used when depth is small. Pilot tunnels are used to connect the main tunnel and the shaft. We already described in our earlier videos or lectures. Full face method of tunneling is generally suitable for the tunnels having diameter of 3 meter. Heading and bench method is used when quality of rock is not good. In heading and bench method, simultaneous drilling and mucking is possible. This statement is true. In drilling pattern, horizontal wedge cut pattern, height of tunnel is more than width. We discussed in our all lectures. Bottom cut drilling pattern is used in mining. Pyramid cut drilling pattern is used for circular tunnel as well as horseshoe tunnel. Buster cut drilling pattern is used for deep holes. For blasting operation, the explosive used is high explosive also, low explosive also, and detonating explosive also. So all the above is the correct or most appropriate answer for MCQ number 27. Detonator is used for blasting. The method of mucking are mucking by the hand and mucking by the machine. So both A and B are correct. The lining is hard rock tunneling. It is not appropriate answer. The lining is soft rock tunneling as well as it is used to add the structural strengthening. So B and C are correct. Method requiring use of timber are, it is English method also, it is army method also, and needle beam method also. So all of the above is the correct choice. The wooden bent is used in forepoling method also and shield method also. So in both methods is the most correct answer. In shield method, excavation phase and erection of lining should be carried out simultaneously. The statement is correct, and we already described this method by means of a diagram in our earlier videos. The purpose of lining in tunnel is to give the correct shape to the tunnel, to save the rock from air slag and support the loosened rock pieces. So A, B, C are the correct. So all of the above are the correct. The D is the most correct or most appropriate option. The causes of accident in the tunnel are due to limited working space, inadequate lighting, wet and slippery footings. So all of above is the correct choice. The ventilation of tunnel is necessary to work comfortably, to work efficiently, and to prevent the accumulation of fumes. So all of the above is correct or most appropriate choice. The method of ventilation are natural ventilation, blowing and exhausting. All the above is the correct answer for that MCQ. The option D is most appropriate. The blowing method is not suitable for tunnels. In corrugated sheet and drainage, the drains used are side drain system. We described in the diagram. For the tunnel lighting, the most suitable system is electrical lighting as discussed in earlier lecture. For proper efficiency of tunnel lighting, the intensity of lighting is 260 lumens per square meter is most correct answer or most appropriate. For top drip method of hard rock tunneling, water pipes must be installed twice, other pipes must be installed twice, trolley track must be installed twice. So option D is most appropriate answer. So all these 42 MCQs I prepared from my earlier videos or earlier lectures, and these MCQs might be suitable for your MPSC mains exam and all other type of competitive examinations in civil engineering where tunneling subject is included. So please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed that channel. My channel name is Santosh Kulkarni Civil Engineering Academy, and press the bell icon for further notifications. For more details and notes, you contact my administrator or email me. My next subject is hydrology. My coming lectures on hydrology subject, so don't miss that lectures, and best of luck for your studies in the summer. And this is the additional information for you I am going to provide you in the end of this lecture. So these are generally GK based questions on tunnels. The one-way tunnel in Mumbai-Pune Expressway is the Adoshi Tunnel. T. Fulrani, that is Bhakti Barve Inamdar, is died near Bhattan Tunnel. Mumbai bound longest tunnel is the Bhattan tunnel and the length is approximately 1 kilometer. New alignment. Now a new alignment construction is going on Mumbai Pune Expressway, and that tunnel lies between Khalapur and Walwand or Khandala. Pune bound longest tunnel on the existing Mumbai Pune Expressway or Yashwantrao Chavan Drutagati Marg is the Kamshet Tunnel 1. Other tunnels on Mumbai Pune Expressway are the Khandala Tunnel, Adoshi Tunnel and Kamshet Tunnel 2. Then tunnel monitoring systems is already established on Mumbai Pune Expressway for the long tunnels, and all the tunnels are monitored through these rooms where all angle cameras are provided, and we get the information of movement of traffic at a instance immediately to know the tunnel traffic management also. So I am going to end my lectures on tunneling, and further I am going to deliver the lectures on hydrology. So till then, bye bye, good night, bye.